My name is Juan Lugo, and welcome to my screencast on how to have text read to your students on a Chromebook. So the first thing we want to do is come down to our time on our Chromebook, select, come up to accessibility, go to select to speak, select it, and make sure that the check mark is present. Once you've done that, you exit out of there, come down to our select to speak icon at the bottom right, select it, come up to the page, and select what you want to be read to the student or to yourself.
Which narrative point of view is shown in the passage? Of all the countless things my son...
Now here you can control it, you can pause, you can move to the next sentence.
No doubt he would have been bothered by my use of the word, to
You
use...
can pause again, you can move back to a
Of all the
sentence.
countless things my son and I learned...
If you have multiple paragraphs, you can push forward to the next paragraph or come back. Thank you for watching, and my name is Juan Lugo. Have a great day.